So I sold this WonderCore Smart Body Fitness Equipment Machine today. Looks like a pretty good sale, right? $59.99, free ship. I think I paid $5 for this at a Goodwill, so most people think I'd probably make out pretty good. Here's the problem, right? It's free shipping. To anywhere. To anywhere. The person that bought it lives in the Virgin Islands, which is still in the US, but FedEx doesn't deliver there. And so for an item like this, you're kind of forced to use USPS. And because you're forced to use USPS, you can only go one place to get your shipping rate. It's going to the Virgin Islands. Guess how much it's going to cost me to ship this thing? Like $47 or something ridiculous. $46. So, needless to say, my strategy going further into 2020, because now we're already done with month one, basically, I'm not going to be offering free shipping anymore on anything that is going priority and above. All first class, I'll take care of it, no problem, I got you. But moving on, I'm not doing it anymore. Because there's so many items that I sell of this nature that could have been so much more profitable, and they're not. I would much rather have listed this same thing at $39.99 and then put the buyer pays shipping. And that would have just been a way better deal. So going into it, maybe this is a good video for somebody who's just starting out, but also maybe for somebody who's been doing it for a while, who's a little bit frustrated when things like this happen. This doesn't happen too often to me, but it happened today, and it was relatively annoying. And luckily for me, it didn't take too long for me to pack this up and whatever, and it is what it is. Lesson learned. It's a cheap lesson to learn for sure. But moving on, I will not be doing any more large free shipping because my time is too valuable for it. So just wanted to go ahead and throw that out there for you guys today. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you didn't have any shipping hiccups like I did today, but holy good Jesus, that was a pain in the butt. But yeah, note to self, if you're going to offer free shipping to the US Virgin Islands, just be prepared to pay what that is, because it's not cheap. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope you guys had a great sales day. Talk to you soon.